You are going to absolutely love this strawberry cocktail. I've focused on Monin Strawberry syrup for this video. Think of this as inspiration for anything strawberry, strawberry puree, strawberry syrups, fresh strawberries muddled down with sugar. This will work a treat. The base booze in this is a rhubarb vodka, but as I say, you can swap that out for rhubarb gin or plain vodka or plain gin with rhubarb liqueur. It just works a treat. Now, as I've started to do recently, I've opened this out. Each filming session, I've opened this out to the Drinkstuff team to name these cocktails. So Julie, who's kind of regional development for like the Midlands, and the West, and Wales and Ireland, Julie's come out with Put Out the Fire. I like that. Anastasia, who's kind of pricing and marketplace admin, she's come up with Sparkling Summer. And then Claire from HR, Claire's come up with Ignite My Berry. So I want you guys at home, put your favourite in the comments below. Right, so the ingredients for this cocktail, this one's lovely, looking forward to this. Monin's strawberry syrup, you could go strawberry puree. Just remember that strawberry puree, especially like Funkin for instance, is just strawberry, so you might need a bit of extra sugar if you're going to balance it out. But ODK strawberry puree that they do is kind of sugar based as well, so you kind of got that will be a good equivalent. Just depends up to you. Could go fresh strawberries and a bit of sugar syrup, of course you can muddle down some fresh strawberries. I've got JJ Whitley's Rhubarb Vodka. Me personally, my own personal favourite brand, because they are kind of fruit forward as vodkas. I absolutely love them. Think of it as a very strong liqueur, kind of that. If you went sort of Bowls or Giffard or things like that, that sort of flavour, but very strong. But remember, liqueurs are like 15, 20% ABV, and these are proper full strength. 38, I think this is 38%, 38.6%, so proper strong. I've got some Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire. Purely, don't think of this as a whiskey. Think of it more as a whiskey, more as a cinnamon liqueur. You could use Fireball. That would be another equivalent. Obviously, I've got that as my sweetener. So if I went kind of cinnamon sugar syrup, it would be a bit too sweet. So I'm just using that as a cinnamon liqueur. We've got some ODK lemon juice, 100% lemon juice. Great to have at home. Got pressed apple juice. Just Tesco's. That's all that is. Tesco's, 100% pressed apple juice. We've got some Stillabunt Magic Foamers because we want it nice and foamy. You get that, you can get that, and you can get that from Drinkstuff. Well then, shaken cocktail. So we're going straight into our cocktail shaker. Ingredient number one, let's start off with our syrup. Monin Strawberry syrup. I just want 15 ml, half an ounce of that. Lovely, vibrant strawberry notes. Ingredient number two is our rhubarb vodka. You could even go rhubarb gin for this. Of course you can. This is just pure inspiration. Or plain vodka and a rhubarb liqueur, whatever you fancy. But I'm going 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of this. It's just lovely rhubarb forward. Next ingredient is our cinnamon liqueur. Cinnamon and rhubarb is a great kind of combo. We love that. 15 ml, half an ounce of that. We don't want too much. Then we're going for some lemon juice. Of course, use fresh if you really want to, but honestly, I defy you to tell the difference. Awesome to have around if you're at home or if you've got a pub and bar. I just love it. 15 ml, half an ounce. Then I'm going for my pressed apple juice, and I just want 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of your favourite pressed apple juice. And then our magic ingredient in more ways than one. I'm not saying this is an egg white cocktail. I don't think you need to use egg whites, but the foamers will just give that nice kind of finish to it. I love these guys. So just all you need is 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that bottle will make easily 5. They say 600 cocktails. We're counting, and I've only used a third of a bottle so far. And to demonstrate what they do, I'm going to dry shake this for about 5 seconds. So they go from that to literally that. Look at that. So I just need to now properly shake it down, properly chill it. So load your cocktail shaker up with as much ice as you can get, and then hard and fast shake to 10 to 12 seconds. And when you're out of breath or it's too cold to hold anymore, you know it's done. I'm just going to serve this up in kind of your favourite coupe glass, and I'm going to double strain. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And then just to garnish, you could go strawberries, but I'm just going to rock out another, as I say, I've done these the last few videos, new to drink stuff now, ODK's dehydrated fruit, and they look awesome. So because of the apple juice, I'm going to use a dehydrated apple just on top. Now, if you want even more Monin Strawberry syrup inspiration, dive into that video right there. As always, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, if you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.